right, this morning we're doing the veterinarian clinic here. Just getting this done. Not very easy with all the cars in the driveway. It's coming along really good. We use the boom van at this end, and then we use another one way down at the other end there. You can see down there. Anyways, already all done. We'll go on to the next one. We have 3 in a row now. All right, we're doing 3 in a row here. I'll show you guys what we got out back here. This is somebody new that we just picked up. You can see here, you can see at the bottom here where the deer have eaten them. You see that? That's because the deer ate them at the bottom there. That's what caused that. So we'll be doing this part. This one over here. And we'll be jumping one neighbor, then we'll be doing another one. So 3 in a row. 3 in a row. All right, we just got this one done here. This is the one where the deer had eaten at the bottom. You can't tell as much anymore. Unless we back up, then maybe you'll be able to see it a little more. Okay, you can see it there on camera. We did all the top there. Did the other side. It's almost like in little woods here. Really wet. Look at everything. It's really wet. It was a pretty good bump right here. We just tried to cut as much as we could off. Try to fix it up. I'll show you guys up on top here how it looks. It looks good. And that part over there. We did the other side to the neighbor. I'm not gonna show you guys that there, it's all the same. All right, so we'll go up to the next one. We'll see how it goes at the next place. We've got a good one coming out. All right, we just got the next job. We're just looking here. See how the hedges are not very nice up here. We've got a problem. It's the tree here. This tree right here, I think it's a maple tree. It's taking so much sun from the hedges that they're having a hard time to grow. Because we just go over a bit, they look pretty full. Yeah, it's gonna be like that. Because over here at the neighbors too, and the land is really, really wet. Over here at the neighbors too, they're having a hard time. I think it's all the water that's coming down. The water is coming down the hill and it's getting stuck over here. Look at the water everywhere. All right, we'll go look on the other side. Because the client asked us what was going on. They thought maybe it was our fault. I'm gonna say no. Too much water. All right, see this? We'll go look on the other side what's going on. You can see we started cutting it. You can see up here where it's done, and here it's not done. This is a big one. This part here, we put tarps on the ground to make sure, because it's all nice underneath, just to make sure that it all falls on it. You see they got all their mulch underneath there. Looks really good. Look how nice that looks. I'll go show you guys out back what's going on. Because the hedges are really not nice. Well, it's not they're not nice, they're just having a hard time. The land is really wet out back. See, right here it come out really nice. Along the pool here. So having a little bit of a problem right here. You see where, because of that tree, you see that big tree right there? That's taking a lot of the sun. So it doesn't grow as good right there, right here. Sometimes it's just little stuff like that that makes it that the hedges have a harder time. See, they're not quite as nice over here because it's really wet. I'll show you guys on the ground here. Look at that. That's crazy. When your land is wet like that there, the hedges are always gonna have a hard time to grow. It's crazy the water there is down here. Look at the hedges here, what's going on. Then the client says something, you know, like, you know, what happened, and you have to explain to them. Because the hedges are nice here. It's just over here where the tree is. I showed you the tree on the other side. They're really not nice. They're having a hard time to grow here. See how we can see through them? See that? Yeah, you see here, see at the neighbors how it's not growing well. See how they're yellow, they're not green. And down here they're having a hard time too. I mean, look at that. All right, that's it, we're done here. Next job. All right, we just got the next one. We just did this one. I guess it must be for the water. That's as good as it's gonna get here, I guess. All right. See you guys at the next one, guys. Hopefully the sun's gonna come out. Be nice if the sun come out today. All right, we got a 300 footer here we're gonna do. It hasn't been done for 2 or 3 years. We'll fix it up for them. You can see out back here, we can see through it. They're having a hard time. A lot of water on the land. See how soft that is? I'll get it done, I'll show you guys some more. Oh son, where are you, son? Please come out today. Well, we'll fix him up. We just got done here, or we're just finishing up. Came out pretty good. See how back here they're having a hard time. You can see through it. I'll zoom in a bit here. See how you can see through it. Too much water again. Their land doesn't drain. The drains aren't good here. Yeah, it looks okay. I'll go look from up on top, see what it looks like. Give you guys an idea here. Yeah, the line looks good here. All right, well, that's another one done. We'll go off to the next one. Be nice if the sun would be out. Well, can't get it every day, I guess. Look at that.